My name is Scott Martin, the Director of Research, Industry Relations, and Development for Hillphoenix. As part of Hillphoenix's ongoing effort to keep the industry apprised on the latest refrigeration regulations, we want to inform you that on December 10th, 2020, the California Air Resources Board voted on the changes to CARB's HFC regulation and approved new requirements for stationary refrigeration equipment as utilized in food retail applications. Effective January 1st, 2022, all new stationary commercial refrigeration systems with greater than 50 pounds of refrigerant must use a refrigerant with a global warming potential of 150 or less. In addition, all existing food retail facilities must cut emissions by reducing their GWP footprint and/or refrigerant charge amount by 2030. What does this regulation mean for you, the owner or operator of any food retail store? It means that any new refrigeration equipment needs to be designed to operate with refrigerants that you may not yet have utilized. But not to worry, Hillphoenix has been hard at work evaluating options and solutions over the past several years so that you will achieve compliance to this new regulation. With our robust selection of eco-friendly, traditional and natural refrigerant products, we can help you build a roadmap for compliance well into the future. We have a full line of CO2 refrigeration systems with our ADVANSOR and ADVANSOR Flex products, including compatible cases and controls. We also have natural refrigerant mobile island merchandisers and select specialty self-contained products that cover a wide range of merchandising needs. In addition to these natural refrigerant products, we also offer low GWP, HFC, HFO blend distributed products with our EnviroPack and AdaptaPack systems. And finally, we can provide a whole store solution with our micro distributed water loop refrigeration system, SOLCHILL. If you have any questions about refrigeration regulations or need a no obligation assessment of your operation and path to compliance, please call us at 770-285-3264 or email us at info@hillphoenix.com or visit our website.